Did he pay his debt or her debts? Okay, let's move on. I'm gonna open my message that states that God is loving and gracious. Can you everybody say, God is loving?
God is loving.
God is gracious.
God is gracious.
In Chronicles, for the Lord your God is gracious and compassionate. When we talk about gracious, it means every time you fail, every time you commit wrong turns or wrong decisions in life, God's love for you remains. Say amen. And God's compassion, the word compassion means from the word passion. Compassion means the love of God never changes. And you know what, my dear brothers and sisters? If you will read the Bible, you will realize how beautiful the plan of God for you.